Okay. Okay, so we are saying AB means A times B, all right? This implies that our AB will imply matrix A. This is our matrix A. Is that okay?
Yes.
We have got 1, 2, 3, 4. By B. Our matrix B is -1, 0, 2, 5. Is that fine?
Right.
Yes, so we are saying AB. It is row by column. So in this case, you can see that you have got 2 rows. There's this one and the last one here. Have you seen that? So you're going to multiply this row with this column. You come and multiply this row with that column as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So I'll start with the first row, which is this. So when you look at this one, all right, you have 2 entries here. There's 1 and 2, isn't it?
Yes.
Here also there are 2 entries. There is -1 and +2.
And the 2.
Yes, means that the first entry here, which is a 1, will be multiplied with this one, the first entry there. The second entry here, which is a 2, will be multiplied with the second entry here, which is a 2. Have you seen that? So we are saying the first entry in the first row is 1 times the first entry in the first column is -1. Then I put in brackets. Yes. Now, for me to utilize the next number in the first column, which is a 2 now, all right? I have to put a plus.
Yes.
So 2 from this with the 2 down here. Is that fine?
Yes.
Oh, good. Now, here I think there's 1.
Actually, there's a 1 there.
Okay. Okay. Let's see how far I'll go because there's no power here.
And then there's 3 at the bottom of the bracket.
So now we have exhausted the first column here. Have you seen that?
Yes.
But you still have another column, meaning that this still has to be utilized, the first row.
And another row.
Yes.
Oh, we are still dealing with the first row. Okay.
Yes, because I've not multiplied with all the columns.
That's right.
You are not supposed to leave the first row minus exhausting all the columns. Even if we had some numbers here, we had another, just for argument's sake, if we had maybe 0, 4, this, you are supposed to multiply with this, come here, go there and deal with that one. Not until you are done. That is when you are able to use the second law.
All right.
Okay, good.
And put addition every time we are done. Every time we're done with the multiplication of the first column.
Yes. So I'll now take this. You multiply it with this one. So because there is space here, you also leave your space here. Just don't make a noise of a class. 1, you say by 0. Is that fine? Then what are we going to say if you're able to attempt?
So we're going to say plus, and then we're going to say
Yes. Uh-oh, the network.
Then 2 multiplied by 0.
One has gone with 0. Have you seen that?
Yes, yes. So now it's going to be 2 multiplied by 5.
Yes, by 5.
Mhm.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Now that we do not have more columns, it means you have exhausted the first row.
Okay.
Yeah, you go down. You go to the second D. You go to the second row now. I'm just trying to erase this. So the second row is this one now. So you multiply 3 by negative 1. Have you seen that?
Right. Mm-hmm.
Plus, what are we going to say if you're able to pick it?
Yes, we're going to say plus, open brackets, 4 multiplied by 2.
Good. We are done with this. This column, this one has been done, not so?
And then we leave space, and then
Yes.
we're going to use the same row and say 3 multiplied by negative. Sorry, 3 multiplied by 0.
Yes,
and then plus. Yes, 4 multiplied by 5.
Correct. Hey, Jay, keep quiet. Yeah, sorry, I'm with my boys here.
No, it's understood. It's understood.
I've been away for a month and some days. Okay. So, and now, if your calculations are okay, you observe one thing. All right. You look at this. Look at the numbers here. These will always match. All right. Check.
Yes.
These numbers should always match. If that does not happen, it means there's a problem somewhere. Yes. Then we begin to multiply. Negative 1 or 1 by negative 1, what do we get?
It's negative 1.
Good. Plus 2 by 2?
4.
Then we 1 by 0?
That's 0.
Plus 2 by 5?
That's 10.
10, isn't it? Then 3 by negative 1?
Negative 3.
Plus 4 by 2?
That's 8.
8. Then 3 by 0?
0.
Plus 4 by 5?
20.
20. So AB is equal to, we work out this. What is negative 1 plus 4?
That's
Yes. Hello, are you there?
Can you hear me?
Yes, again.
Yes.
What's
So
that?
negative 1.
Yes, go on.
Hello?
3,
negative, then 0 plus, then it's negative 3. Hello, can you hear me?
So here, what is supposed to be positive 3, not so?
Yes. Oh, I'd gone further than that. So yes, there is a 3, and then below
10.
that, yes, on the other side is 10, and then below is 20. Then on the other side is 5.
Good.
Yeah.
It means here you are done here. That's your answer.
I see.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, before we even look at another example, Sometimes you can have a question like this.
Mhm.
They may not define the set to say this is set A or this is set B, all right? You might have a question like this.
Okay.
They may just say express 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Negative 1, 0, 2, 5 as a single matrix. Okay? So whatever they're asking us to do is...
Then you know that they are looking for you to multiply.
Yes, because there's no sign that you can see here. Have you seen that? In between here, we do not have a sign that we can clearly see. It means the sign that we have here is a multiplication sign.
Right.
Yes, so indirectly they're asking us to multiply. Is that fine?
Yes.
Can we make progress? Are you done copying?
Yes, I am.
Okay, just give me 2 seconds. I erase.
Okay.
Yeah.
Morning, Chief. Thank you.
Okay.
I hear you. Just 1 second, sir.
Okay, no
just
problem.
1 second, sir. Let me just right here.
Okay.
So Gemma, that's okay. So what I want you to do is, can you prepare I understand what they're talking about. The reasoning is different, but you see where we are going and what's going to happen. Then you remember what I was trying to explain. But don't worry. Come up with a draft quotation for each of the items, like I've explained. Right? Yeah, come up with a draft, and then we have a look at the figures you have in mind. Yeah, for social media. So social media, what we were doing previously, we were just saying that a day without a picture was 1,000, and then with a picture was what the item or the posted day. However, given this is a 3 months long deal, you could scale down. You could practically just simply say maybe apart from one particular item. Let me just have a look. You have a pen somewhere? You're writing? I do. Okay. So you could just simply say, so item number 1, cover ministry health activities, blah 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 blah, every day of the week, and so on. So here you could practically say, just put it 1,000 a day, right? Yeah, for the one for the coverage, yes. And then total positive news and create awareness of activity. Positive news. This one every day or day. Okay. 1,000 also for self-promotion messages every after 2 hours. This one. Every 2 hours. Wow. Okay, this one put at 2.5 a day. Then the fourth one, provide the purpose of speakers put on the phone at least every week. So this one you're going to say
so We are now trying to understand BC, all right?
Yes.
Yes, so following the same process, it's going to be -1 times 1. I hope you agree. Plus 0 by 0. This is 0 by this 0. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
then we'll leave space and say -1 by 0. This -1 by this 0. Is that fine? Hello?
Mhm.
Plus 0 by 1.
Yes, it is.
Yes. I'm done with the first
Yes,
row.
it is.
Okay, good. Then it will be 2 times 1.
Mhm.
This 2 times 1 plus 5 times 0. This 5 times this 0. Then 2 by 0 and plus
Mhm.
5 times 1. Is that okay, or there's a query somewhere?
5 by 1. Mhm.
Any doubts?
No. It is okay.
Oh, okay, good.
No doubts.
Yes. So when we multiply this, we get -1 plus 0. Is that okay here?
Mhm.
Then we have got 0 plus 0, that is this side here. All right. Then here we have got 2 plus 0.
Yeah.
2 plus 0,
Mhm.
this part. Then we have got 0 plus 5, the last part now here.